We are unique in that we are the only CODA accredited program from the ADA, which is the American Dental Association, in North Carolina and its surrounding states. We're not fully dentists, but we're dealing with models, patients, not the icky insides that a lot of people don't like with medical. We're kind of away from people in labs. We find that if you like, again, that artsy working with your hands aspect of it, we tend to really grasp those people. We're kind of a small class, so you really get a good sort of one-on-one relationship with the instructors. And due to a lot of the nature of the work being hands-on, you're going to be here in class for the most part. It is a day program. If you're following the associate degree, your very last semester, we have what's called the lab practice, and you are actually going to go out and work in a lab. And from that, depending on how well you do, if the lab's hiring, you could potentially get a job at certain labs. And if not, then there are other labs in the area probably looking for you. You have to remember that while you may not see the patient yourself, you are essentially helping someone bring back a smile. And that's super important and really the heart of why so many technicians have stayed in this field for 30 plus years.